Hey guys, it's Kathy, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can go and get the dark mode for WhatsApp on Android. Let's go. Okay, first of all you should go and check in your Google Play Store if you go and updated your WhatsApp. So you just go to My Apps, then go to Install, and there you should have WhatsApp, and you can check for your newest updated. You can see it's new. After that you go to Settings and go scroll down to Display. You find the night mode. You can go and activate that too, just to make sure it's all dark. Next we go to WhatsApp, and in WhatsApp you go and click on the top and go to Settings. In here you click on Chats. And in here you find on the top Display Theme Light, and when you click on Dark, okay, and now you have the dark theme for WhatsApp on Android. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it and hope I see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye bye.